Do you want to learn how to change or revert the new winter or Christmas notification sound pack that they have added on Discord? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. Now, I like this Christmas sound pack. It's much better than the Halloween one, which was released in October. But still, some of you out there may not like this sound pack, and it's understandable. And if you want to revert it, click on User Settings on the bottom, scroll down till you find App Settings. Now, inside it, click on Notifications. Now, on the right, scroll down till you find Event Sound Pack. Now here it says winter, and if you listen to these, we can change it by clicking on this. It's going to give us a drop down. Click on the first one which says Discord default, and now it's going to change to the default notification sound pack. Like that. Was easy, right? That's it. This is how to change or revert the Discord notification sound pack from a winter or Christmas sound pack to the default one. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.